Good morning, everyone. My name is Justin McCaleb, and along with my teammates Hasiel Baez and Dylan Leifeste, we're excited to present to you RemoteSTART. No one planned to be working from home for majority of 2020, but here we are. In this remote environment, teams need a single place for project management now more than ever. We created RemoteSTART to fill that need. RemoteSTART brings simple and effective project management together in one easy-to-use and lightweight full-stack web application. Utilizing Bootstrap, JavaScript, CSS, and Timeleaf on the front end, as well as Java, Spring Boot, JPA, and MySQL on the back end, this truly was a team effort, with each teammate contributing to each part of the stack, from user experience all the way to database. We're going to be walking through a few features, as well as the workflow of a software development team as they create a site. I'll hand it off to Hasiel.
Thanks, Justin. I'm Hasiel Baez, and I was responsible for setting up registration and authentication with Spring Security, integrating the SendGrid API for emails, search functionality for teams, configuring role-based permissions, allowing users to request to be added to a team, and allowing team members to edit the state of tasks and subtasks. Now, I'll walk through the steps a new user would go through to register for the site. A user would hit Get Started and be brought to the registration page where they'd have to fill out some personal information and verify their email after they click Sign Up. For the sake of time, I'll be logging into an already created account of a team lead who is currently managing the development of a full-stack web application. The first page I'm taken to when I log in is my profile page. My teammate Dylan leveraged JPA on the backend to allow a user to edit their information and change their password if they like. Since I'm logged into an account with a verified email, I'm able to create a team, and I'm automatically assigned the role of team lead. I'm also able to search through teams and request to join one. I use JavaScript to dynamically generate HTML based on what was input into the search bar. If I were to request to join a team, an email would be sent to the team leader with my name and a link to their team page where they can then add me. Now I'll view my teams and select my dev team. Justin used Timeleaf to generate the HTML on this page based on an attribute that was passed to the view by a controller on the backend. I'm currently a team leader for this team. Team leaders can create projects, create tasks within those projects, add users to the team, and make other team members team leaders as well. I'll demonstrate that by making Dylan a team leader and handing it off to him to demonstrate some additional features.
Thanks, Hasiel. I'm Dylan Leifeste. Before I show everyone the process of being a co-team leader, I would like to share with you my contributions to RemoteSTART. I worked on pair programming the database, views and forms for changing your profile information, changing your password after an email link had been sent out to you using the SendGrid API, assigning tasks to team members using JPA with custom queries, populating team members awaiting to be assigned a task using Timeleaf, locking down team leader functionality inside the controllers, and front-end styling as well. I will now be showing you the process of being a co-team leader on our dev team. Using Justin's method, we may add a user to our team. Let's say later down the line, Joe gets reassigned. It's as simple as a click of a button to remove them. Moving on to the projects. On the team page, I am able to create one, but we will use our web developers team project to save time. As you can see, there is a complete project overview, complete with a progress bar and a task overview. Using Java and custom queries that I wrote, we will now assign some to-dos, as you may know them, to one of our team members. Once the project is rolling, we can check the status of each team member's task by clicking on View All Tasks, and from here, I can see all the tasks that are currently assigned to each team member, the task state, and I also edit and delete the task. Now, back to Justin.
Thank you, Dylan. Before I show the team member experience, I'd like to share some of my contributions to the project. Those include the CRUD functionality for teams and subtasks, a team leader's ability to edit or delete projects and tasks, as well as add or remove a user from a team, the user search functionality on the team page utilizing JavaScript, and the progress bar that updates based on task completion, as well as some front-end styling. Now let me show you the expected workflow for a team member on RemoteSTART. Say it's a new day, and after my morning routine, I grab my coffee, hop on my computer, and see a new email that was sent using SendGrid API Haciel implemented, which tells me that I have a new task assigned to me by my team lead. After logging in and navigating to my desired team page, I can see that my options are limited to viewing the current users on the team and a list of projects. So let's navigate to the project page where I can see an overview of the project. And thanks to Dylan's work on task assignment and team leader functionality, I can hit View My Task, which brings me to the team member task page. Here I can see a list of tasks, as well as descriptions set by my team leader and any subtasks that I create to help further break down a task. Once I'm done with the task, I can set the state to complete, which lets my team leader know my status and updates the progress bar on the project page. Now that you've seen the full workflow from the standpoint of a web development team on RemoteSTART, if you have any questions or would like to find out any more about any of the actual developers for the site, see the About Us page. Thank you.